Fatima. This is me, Princess Aisha.
And this is me, King Abdul, right now.
Today, Fatima going to be kind for 24 hours. Let's start.
Right now? Yes.
It's a spider!
I'm just kidding. It's just a prank.
Serious? I'm gonna eat my cereal.
Scary cat, scary cat. Ha, 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 ha.
I'm not a scary cat.
You a scary guy, cause you.
1 hour later.
Stop pranking me!
You are scary cat.
I'm not a scary cat.
You a scary cat.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
1 hour later.
It's just a prank.
Are you serious? For what? I'm gonna turn you a cat. Laughing. Ha ha. What happened here? I turned Fatima into this little cat. What?
Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
Soon after.
Here, kitty for fan, here you go. Kitty Fatima, here your delicious hand.
Ow!
Why you bite my hand?
Meow.
Soon after.
Fatima the cat is here ya! Katie, nap time. Katie, time for sleep.
Meow.
Oh, you hurt me. That's it. No cat for 24 hours.
Yes, I'm not cat anymore. No, I'm not gonna prank you anymore.
Promise?
Bye.
Bye. And say safe.